gave this week everything you had, genuinely. You worked late, you pushed through being tired, you did more than most people would have. And when you look at what actually changed, it's almost nothing. That's not a motivation problem, that's a targeting problem. And it's more common than anyone tells you. 2,500 years ago, a military strategist wrote a book that's still required reading in business schools today. Not because it teaches you to work harder, but because it teaches you to stop fighting battles you were never going to win in the first place. His name was Sun Tzu, and the book is The Art of the War. Step 1. Map the terrain. Before committing more effort, Sun Tzu never thought without first understanding the ground he was fighting on, what actually mattered and what only looked urgent. The mechanism. Effort spent on the wrong problem doesn't just fail to help, it actively drains the energy you needed for the problem that mattered. Busy and effective are not the same things, and your body can't tell the difference between them while you're doing it. Quick action. List the one task you're about to throw effort at, then ask one question. Is this actually the highest leverage thing right now, or just the loudest? But knowing the terrain doesn't matter if you scatter your effort across. There's a second principle. The one that made a smaller force beat a bigger one repeatedly. Step 2. Pick one battle. Spreading effort across 5 fronts loses all 5. Sun Tzu's core advantage was never resource, it was concentration. Putting everything he had behind one decisive move instead of a dozen half moves. The mechanism. Focused effort on one front beats scattered effort across many, even with less total energy. Because switching costs eat more of your capacity than the tasks themselves do. Quick action. From your task list, cross out everything except the single highest leverage item. Work only on that one for the next block of time. Concentrating your effort is powerful, but it only works if you're also willing to let go of what you're not fighting. And most people never give themselves permission to do so. Step 3. Retreat from the rest. A strategic retreat isn't losing, it's refusing to bleed resources on a fight that was never winnable today. Sun Tzu wrote about knowing when not to fight as seriously as knowing when to. The mechanism. Giving yourself explicit permission to deprioritize something removes the background guilt that quietly drains energy from the task you actually chose. Quick action. Pick one thing on your list you've been forcing and consciously set it down for today, out loud. Not today, not because I'm weak, because it's not the battle. Retreating from the wrong fight clears your energy, but there's one more piece that prevents you from picking the wrong fight again next time. Step 4. Scout before you charge. Sun Tzu's most repeated principle. Know yourself and know the terrain before you commit. Most wasted effort isn't from working on the wrong thing, it's from diving into the right thing with zero information and paying for it in wasted hours later. The mechanism. 5 minutes of scouting. Reading the brief properly, asking one clarifying question, checking what's actually being asked routinely saves you far more than 5 minutes of blind effort would have. Quick action. Before you start your next task, spend exactly 5 minutes gathering the information first. Not working yet, just scouting what you're actually walking into. Listen, you don't need to work harder. You need a map before you needed more effort. And it was written before Rome existed. But even the smartest strategy still hits days when nothing works no matter how hard you push. That's the next video. The ancient Chinese ants forcing something that simply won't move. I'll see you there.